Okay, do you have some gray hairs coming in like I do? You can see them starting to come in. My roots are growing in. It makes my part line look a little wider, which I don't really like the look of. So I always fill that in. I'm going to show you some of my favorite products that I like to use. So the first one is I have this Root Touch Up by Clairol, and I've had this for a while. I love it. It's got this little brush with it, and you can just dab it on there and you can just touch up your root line. Like, you can go all the way along, you can fill it in, you can do whatever you need, and it's great. I find this to be probably very quick, which is important, and easy to take with you. I also use the same with a different brush, and I'll do my eyebrows. So this is a keeper. I will always have this one with me. My number one favorite for powder is definitely this Boldify, and I took this traveling with me. I need to get a new one. I'm almost out, but see, it comes with this little sponge. You put it in the dark powder, whatever color you pick, and you literally just go along and it fills it in so fast. You see that filling in really quickly, which is amazing. So this is another one I love, 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 love. Now I also have this one, which I usually have in my golf bag, because sometimes if I'm wearing a ball cap or something, or I've been sweating a lot or just whatever, sometimes I feel like a little bit of the powder comes off, or you want something around your face. This is another good one. This is called the Gray Away, and it has the sponge on one end, so that's the sponge end, and the little, like the stick or whatever on the other end. So this one's more precise. So say I have a little bit here, I'm going to go over it with this. Try not to get your skin like I just did, and then you just kind of blend it with the pen, and it works really, really well as well. So this is one I keep more, like I said, as you know, in my golf bag, whatever. This isn't one I use for my main, but it's great for touch-ups. But now when you get to the point where you feel like they're growing in more and you're like, oh, I'm having to do too much and my hair appointment's not for another week and a half, this is my absolute favorite. This has just saved my life and given me so much confidence. Might not seem like a big deal, but for a woman, when your hair is kind of splitting and that, you just don't feel that good. So, and you can use this also, by the way, like my daughter could use it with her highlights coming out. You can get it in blonde, all different colors. So say you have brown hair and your blonde is coming out, you can spray it in and it'll match your blonde highlights. So it's multi-purpose, but this is the one I use for mine. I'll show you at the back a little bit further here. I'll just kind of put my head down, and I don't know if you can see the gray back here. See how that just filled that in? Gave me instant confidence. So I absolutely love this. Probably my all-time favorite. I don't use it until my roots are getting in a little bit more, but it's just instant and I feel so much better. So any of these products are great if you're looking for any way to cover your gray roots.